Hello and welcome, guys. If I asked you right now how much profit did your business make this week, how many open tasks does your team have, and what is the status of your latest client project, could you tell me in under just 5 seconds? If you have to go dig through like three different software apps and an Excel spreadsheet to find the answer, you're flying blind. Today, I'm going to show you how to get an instant and real time insights into your entire business the second you log in into your WordPress website. So let's start by installing the plugins. The plugins that we'll be using today called Tevrna. I'll just type in here Tevrna and I'll search for it. Then you have to install it and activate it. As I already have done so, let's go straight away to the plugin. So the plugin here, the Business Hub, and like the moment you click, you aren't greeted with like a confusing setting page, you are hit with a command center. Command center right here on the main dashboard, you get an instant visual insight at the simple glance. You see your total activities, client, your exact revenue number, and every pending task your business need to be completed today. You know exactly how healthy your business in just 3 seconds. So where do these like beautiful dashboard number coming from? Let's click on the sales tab here. And instead of doing the manual math at the end of the month, this automatically track like the pipeline every time you log an order. So you have two ways to log in the order. You can log it manually from here, and also it's connected to the inventory. So if I click here, I can see the inventory. I can adjust it also from the inventory tab here. As you can see here, here is the inventory tab, and I can also check the history log of this product. I can adjust it. I can also like make any change. I can delete the entire stock if I would like to do so from here. So let's get back to the sales tab. And also, if you try to sell a product that do not exist in the inventory, you will get an error message to avoid any double stock. So as you can see here, it also calculates the exact net profit. So whenever I'm adding order here, it will be reflected in the finance tab. So in the finance tab, you'll have like a breakdown with each order. Your profit, your revenue, your expenses, all will be added here. And you have any expenses like marketing and campaign, or like you're buying a new inventory, it will be deducted from the revenue. So you have everything sorted out here. So let's get back to the sales. And I would like to show you an interesting feature that it's included in this plugin. You may see some orders with a WooCommerce label. Actually, this plugin is connected with WooCommerce. So whenever you are getting any order on WooCommerce, it will be reflected automatically here in the sales tab. And it's actually synchronized also with WooCommerce. If you made any change on any order, like the name, the delivering status, and the payment, it will be reflected also here. A very important feature also that included in the plugin, whenever you have any order, let's take this order for an example. If you change it like the status, let's say that it's delivered, you will get a pop-up to send a ready message to the customer. Here it is. You just have to click with one button. It will take you directly to WhatsApp to send a ready message to the customer. And also the same goes for your client. Like we can also check the active client number. Like the active client number, you can check it from the dashboard. Actually, this number is coming from here. That comes from a built-in CRM right here. You can detach like the expensive software like HubSpot or Taverna will let you build a clean, organized profile for each lead and the customer. You can track their entire order history from here. For an example, if I would like to check the history of this customer, I can check it from here and status of each order. I can also leave like a private note so your team will never lose the track like this sale. So I can leave it from here and update it. It will be saved and an entire team can see it. Finally, you saw the pending task on the home screen. They are managed right here in the team hub. Team and task. First of all, you just have to add your team member. Let's check it before moving forward to the tasks and time. So as you can see here, you can add, like, if you have any new employee you would like to add it here, what is his role, what is his phone number, his email address, and also the hiring date. You can check it whenever you want. You can check also if you would like to give them an annual balance. If you also would like to leave a note on the like employee profile, you can simply leave it from here. Then you can assign tasks to your employee directly inside the WordPress. They can log in to hit the timer and track also their hours and check their tasks. Like the moment they do, the main dashboard updates automatically. So let's say that I would like to assign a task for an employee that I have. Let's say task 16. I will assign it to Peter. He's from the management and it's a critical task, need to be done ASAP. I will just set a deadline for the employee, let's say tomorrow, and I will add the instruction to do so. Please do it ASAP. Then I will create the task, and if I scroll down, I will find task 16 and also a timer. Peter can post an update from here. And the last tab that we have here is the setting tab, which give you the full control on like the permissions that you're giving to your team, like the fields. If you would like to add like a specific status for each field, you can add it from here. If you would like to change also like the access for a specific user, you can do so from here. So you don't need like a massive budget to have a professional business command center. The light version give you all these real-time insights completely free. If you ever want to unlock even deeper visual data shards or secure client assets value, there are the pro upgrade available, but you can stop flying blind and get your business organized today for $0. Like search for Tevrna in your WordPress plugin menu or click on the link in the description below. Hit the subscribe button if it helped, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.